Welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you that how to create a project in CapCut and how to edit the settings of that specific project in CapCut, and if for instance if you want to delete even that project, so how you can delete. So how to create the project and modify the settings of the project. So these two things how you can do after the installation of this software, as we did in the last video, in the previous video, the installation, the downloading and installation of the web application CapCut, and now we will do how to create the project and how to modify the settings. So you can see I have opened the CapCut, and here you can see new project. So you can click here new project, and this will show like this. You can see the new project has been created. So the name is 0415 and it is saved in this location. So you can see this location, like it's in the C drive, and you can see in the user section, and then your name, and then app data, and then local folder, and then CapCut, and then user data, and then projects folder, and then you can see this lv editor c.draft, this one, and in this you can see the folder 0415. So this is actually the project folder. You can see here, you can see details on the right side of this is the interface of the CapCut. So here you can see details, and here you will find the project details. As I have showed you here, the project has been created, and the settings you can see saved in this. The name is this one: ratio, original resolution adopted, frame rate 30 fps, frames per second. So per second there will be 30 frames. Import material, keep in original place. So you can modify the settings from here, as I explained in the start of the video. So modify, so you can see the project details. If you change it to, like for example, my first project, import material, you can copy to project, or you can keep in the original place, original location. That would be recommended, that is recommended and would be better. Ratio, definitely it should be original, but you can change it to anyone. Resolution adopted, and if you want to customize, you can customize. See, 1920 width by 1080 pixels height. So this is HD, high definition. You can select 1280 by 720 also, that is also HD, but less than 1280 that will not be HD. So this one, or 4K if you want, can select, so you can type here. Okay, so but adopted you can select if you want. Frame rate 30 fps, 30 frames per second, you can change it to 24, 25, 30, 50 and 60. 30 is already there. Color space, you can change SDR or high dynamic HDR, but the recommended is SDR. And this frail layer cannot be turned off after turned on. Performance, you can turn on proxy. So see this one, turn on proxy to speed up editing, and video quality will not be affected. So if you want, you can change these settings, and these are the settings you can see as we have seen. So if I close the software, the project, and here you can see in the start of this window CapCut, you can see the project one is here. Now the project name is my first project. If you see the folder, see com.live lv editor.draft. Now this is not 0415, this is now my first project, because we changed the settings, we changed the name of this project. So according to your project, according to your client project, you can change the name, you can rename the project. So it will easy to analyze the different projects if you have multiple projects in your computer, and if you are working on various projects according to clients or even your own projects. So you can easily analyze them. So if you want to delete this project, now in the projects you can see here the three small dots you can see here. So if you click here, you can rename it here, you can duplicate, and you can delete it. So So you can delete, move to trash, items move to trash will appear here and be deleted after 30 days. So you can delete it from here. Okay, so this is the easy method. You can see in the trash. Now we can recently move which software, projects. So you can delete them or you can restore them. So delete 2 items. Now it has been permanently deleted. Items show the days remaining before deletion. After that time they will be permanently deleted. Items can be kept here for up to 30 days. So I deleted manually. If I didn't delete, so it will be here for the 30 days, and after 30 days it will automatically delete. So this is the easy method. I explained you that how to create the project and how to edit the settings of the project and how to modify the settings of the project. And so I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, and keep learning CapCut using this project series. Thank you so much once again.